welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn Chinese fast, tough, and accurate? And this video is for you. Alright, I usually go over with homework from last video. Okay, 这是第4句话. This is homework. Okay, this is our 成语. Okay, 两败俱伤. 两 了一昂两 两 is both. Okay, both sides. 1, 2, both sides. 不挨败 败 is lose. 基于俱 is all, everything, completely. 是昂伤 伤 is hurt. Okay, both sides lose. Both sides are hurt. 耶斯乌苏耶稣 is Jesus. 契约确 is but. 是我说 is answered. Speak, talk. Okay, 基因经是昂上经上 is in the Bible. This is Bible. 圣经 recalled. 记这记者 is written. 是我说 okay, same thing. Okay, talk, speak, answer. 人 is a person. 和我活这活着 is live. 不是不是 is not. 的安单 is alone. 靠 is dependent. 食物食物 is food or bread. 那爱奶 is but. 是 is. 靠 is depend. 是恩神 is God. 口了一里口里 is mouth. 是我所吃无出的所出的 is come from, but we switch. So, 所 is from. 出 is come. 一切 is everything. All, everything. 和我话 is word. 耶稣却说，经上记着说，人活着不是单靠食物，乃是靠神口里所出的一切话。New lessons for today. Okay, we have a new 成语 and new sentence. And this is number 5 sentence. So it's 第5句话. Okay, let's start our 成语. Okay, 气晕群呵了一粒. Okay, I write here as a crane. You already know this word is crane. And I'll give you another clue. This 成语 has animals, okay? And this one is chicken. So you find out this word and this word, what's the meaning. Okay, this is our 成语. Let's practice our 成语, okay? 鸡群鹤立. 鸡 is chicken. 群鹤立. I'm going to erase this part. Okay. And let's start our new sentence. 魔各为鬼魔鬼基悠旧的哀戴特阿他基因尽乐尽了恩圣吃恩臣圣臣基凹教特阿他知安战自哀在战在得一安殿得因顶是昂上殿顶上魔鬼就带他进了圣城叫他站在殿顶上 Let me read like regular speed, okay? 魔鬼就带着他进了圣城叫他站在殿顶上 Okay, will you keep studying, keep practice, and one day you will speak like me, the speed, okay? And perfect Chinese. 魔鬼魔 Don't be afraid of this word, okay? Look, we have fun. This is a more 鬼 鬼 OK 就带他进了进了圣城圣城叫他站在站在殿顶上殿 Don't be afraid of this word. This is 殿顶上 OK 家庭作业is very good for you 对你很好会让你更加进步 OK 学习的快 is faster OK 家庭作业 OK download a translator and translate each single word but if I'm on the line you can check them together as phrases so it will make you fly in Chinese language OK read and write 30遍 OK this is very important it will help you to never forget it. Watch an hour of Chinese TV series every day. And I have a one here. It's called 还珠格格. Okay, you just put HZGG on the YouTube website. You can find it. And this is a long video, okay? And this video maintain a lot of 成语, a lot. If you learn from here, you will hear from there. So it help you to practice. You hear more and it will be good for you, okay? Okay, I hope you guys have fun with your homework and be careful for the virus and give me thumbs up and remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos, okay? I will see you next Friday.